Hey guys, and welcome to another Ready First Look. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be checking out Onli Travel's Venture Pack and Rolling Bag. Onli Travel is a travel bag brand that made the ultimate travel system to make traveling, and especially packing, a breeze. The Venture Pack is a 3-piece travel system designed to cover all your travel needs in one smartly designed pack. This bag makes traveling easier, getting to your belongings simpler, and will help you bypass having to check bags altogether. I'm really excited to get my hands on this bag, and there's a ton of features to go through, so let's just jump right in. So before we start dissecting this bag, obviously this bag, when it's all together, it is a rolling duffel bag backpack. It's a rolling luggage system, but it can break down. So to start, what we're going to do is remove this covered piece here. Now when it's all intact, everything together, you have this cover piece on, there's some compression straps on the side. It's meant to be checked. This is the checked bag mode. And of course we have some compression straps on the side to help keep things a little bit more compact if you are checking your bag. What we're going to want to do is start to peel away some of the layers, but to start we're going to take off this protective layer here. So as you can see, the protective cover comes off and reveals some shoulder straps and some hip packs. The protective cover does tuck away, and you could even really, if you want to, tuck away the shoulder straps, and the hip pack, of course, they detach. So you can even cut it down a little bit more, but let's get it into backpack mode. Okay, so we are in stage 2. We've transformed the Venture Pack into a travel backpack. It's basically a luggage backpack system. The hip pack is great. Obviously with the bag being all together, it's probably gonna be a little bit more heavy. You're gonna have all of your belongings together in one cohesive piece. So hip strap and the shoulder straps are perfect to kind of keep things together, keep you moving, and it keeps your hands free when you're in the airport. So in case you have to fiddle with like your wallet, passport, anything like that, it's just that much easier. So ultimately this bag breaks down into 3 different pieces. So let's keep on peeling away some of these layers here, and let's start by taking off the back piece. As you can see, we're left with this little backpack piece. The straps from the luggage system turn into a separate commuter backpack. It's very thin, it's obviously very convenient. You can remove the hip straps in case you want to lighten the load a little bit since it's a smaller pack. So the idea behind this piece is it makes the perfect day pack and commuter pack. You can carry various odds and ends, your jacket, and even your computer with you. It's not extremely big, but it does carry and fit all the necessities, especially if you're traveling for business or just want to carry a few odds and ends with you. There are 3 exterior zipper pockets along with 2 elastic mesh pockets. There's a larger compartment here, opens up all the way so you can really fit quite a bit of items in there. And then there's these 2 zippers here. Now this is actually one pocket, but if you want to just access one side to get a certain item, you have that option. I think it's a really smart design, and when you unzip them both, it folds out to be an even larger pocket. There's plenty of room to carry things that you just want quick access to. On the inside, we have a laptop pouch that fits a 17-inch laptop. It does have like kind of a felt lining, definitely perfect to keep things from getting scratched, which is always a plus. And it has this little Velcro latch to keep it secure. And there's also this space here to keep a jacket, windbreaker, or even some extra clothes secure. It's perfect for if you have a meeting and you still want time to, say, go to the gym or maybe even a hike. Great, you got space for a quick change of clothes. Now we're not quite done with this piece yet. It could still be further transformed, but we'll revisit this in a hot second. Let's check out the front section of the luggage system. All right, so we went through the back section of the luggage system. We have 2 more sections to go. Next, we're going to be focusing on this front section here, which can also detach from the luggage. Before we really dive into this, just wanted to quickly point out, it really is simple to remove these pieces. It's as simple as zipping up a jacket or a zipper. I mean, it's secured by a zipper. It's really, really simple. You can just take it apart and put it back together very quickly. So this front piece also becomes a lightweight backpack, but the straps are Velcro. Now this is not your typical backpack strap, but the reason is because you can hang this bag on the seat in front of you when traveling on a plane or train or even a car. Additionally, this bag also has 2 hooks on the back. All right, so this little guy is loaded with all of these micro features to keep your smaller items way more organized. There are 3 exterior pockets. This front pocket again has 2 zippered sections so you can access either side. You have something tucked into the bottom of one, easy to access. And right behind it, we have a larger pocket that opens up to reveal 1 smaller zippered mesh pocket and 3 larger mesh pockets. Okay, as I mentioned before, this peak of the Venture Pack was designed to hang on the seat in front of you so you can have all of the items that you might need while traveling at your disposal. And this little pocket right here, the final exterior pocket, actually unzips to become a pseudo shelf to give you a little more space. You can see that there are straps on either side preventing it from really falling all the way down. You have a space for your phone, a space for a phone charger right next to it, a portable one just so you can keep them together. There's even a little pocket for a tablet just to keep that safe. And you have the space to just keep it in front of you so you have your hands free and you have a little bit more space to enjoy whatever you might be doing, whether it's playing a little game or watching a movie, whatever. There's a slot for various cards, whether it's a credit card or just any kind of travel card, driver's license, making things a little bit more convenient, and a little slot so that you can poke your headphones through so you can listen to music that's packed away inside your bag without you having to open it up. This is your getting settled in for a long trip bag. All of your amenities on hand and you're 100% ready to relax. Okay, just like with the other bag, this bag also has a few extra features. We're going to revisit this bag in a minute as well. Let's move on to the main roller duffel. This is the body right here. This is what keeps it all together. It is a rolling duffel bag. There are wheels on it. It stands up on its own, and there is this little piece up top that can transform it into an actual roller bag. Obviously, this extends a little bit more, but you get the idea. There are 4 outer pockets, pretty simple stuff. On the side right here, a smaller compartment just for, quick, easy access, small items. A medium-sized pouch could be perfect for something like an umbrella. And on the other side here, we have a larger pouch that transforms into a water bottle holster. On the top, this front zipper right here is actually deceivingly large. You could probably fit more than you realize in there. If you have a little extra items that you know you might need, you can just throw them in there. All right, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. This suitcase holds 25 liters normally, but it can expand to 38 liters. You can see that it's a pretty simple layout, but it really can carry all of your stuff. Since the other compartments can break down, this can be dedicated towards your clothes. You don't have to kind of share with some other items that you might want to bring with you, and you could even still separate some things out. They have on the top here a larger mesh pocket. It's a space that can be utilized for dirty clothes, clothes that you don't want to rewear, anything that you want to keep separate from the main compartment with all your other clothes. In the inside here, we have a zippered mesh pocket. It's obviously narrower, so it can be perfect for ties, smaller items that, again, you want to kind of keep separate from everything else. And of course, in the main chamber, we have the space where you can actually utilize to put your clothes and a strap to keep nicer clothes secure. Maybe a jacket, you want to keep that on the bottom, keep it separate. You have some space to work with here to utilize this bag any way you like. Okay, we've gone through most of the Onli Travel Venture Pack, but there is still one last feature that we need to explore, the Weekender Pack. So the front and the back of this pack can be put together to form a more robust backpack for weekend trips. It can be expanded to include 13 more liters. You still can utilize the front space of the actual backpack for the back of this Weekender backpack. It just makes for a really simple design. As you can see, it combines really cohesively. It's really simple to put it together, honestly. It takes less than 10 seconds. It's nice that you have access to these sturdier straps, and while we're at it, we might as well revisit the actual back straps. They're padded, they're meshed. There is a channel for air and there's pads on the back. Plus, that protective pouch that we tucked away in the beginning of the pack tucks on the base to give you a little bit more lumbar support, which is just, an added bonus. So as I mentioned before, this bag can be expanded to include 13 more liters of space. Now obviously once you expand it, you open up another chamber, the extra 13 liters of space. It really is just a simple chamber, almost like an extended area for extra clothes, things like that. There are no pockets inside, it's just the extra space, and I think that's honestly more than you need, especially since the other 2 pieces of this backpack have so many extra compartments that you can utilize to keep things well organized. Once you expand the pack, you do get these extra water bottle holders on either side. The Venture luggage system really runs the gamut of whatever travel situation you're faced with and can adapt to whatever you need it to be. Because everything has been so thoughtfully designed, you have a curated place for all of your belongings that you might want to bring, perfectly organized so you can grab it at the drop of a hat. It's a lightweight backpack, a commuting backpack, a weekender bag, a rolling bag, and it's a luggage backpack. If you're looking for a luggage system that will keep you well organized and help you more easily bypass the TSA and check bag fees, then this is your pack. That's it for our first look of the Onli Travel Venture Rolling Pack. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you think of this packing system, and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with brand new first looks coming out every week. If you haven't already, check out the RYOutfitters membership where you can save up to 50% off thousands and thousands of products from amazing brands just like Onli Travel. That's it for now, and stay tuned next week for another RYOutfitters first look.